So in the morning we have learned job application letter, correct? So in job application letter, what are the points? Who writes the application letter? When do we write application letter? What we include? Which kind of points we include? That I will discuss right now. What are the points you should include in your job application letter? We will discuss now. Now see here, which block is used? This is job application letter, but this is unsolicited one. We want solicited application letter. You can see this here. A solicited letter of application sent in response to an advertisement. There are two types I have told you in the morning. One is solicited, another one is unsolicited. So when do we write solicited letter? Yes, correct. When there is an advertisement in the newspaper, you reply to that advertisement, you apply. This is solicited letter of application. Unsolicited, there is no advertisement. Through indirect source, you come to know about that, and then you write application letter. So that is unsolicited. Now here, which block has been used? Which block? Layout. Which layout has been used? कौन सा यूज किया यहाँ पे? Can you see here? Which layout? Read this. What's written here? Semi block layout. Correct. So semi block layout में क्या होता है? Do you remember that layout? Name and address of the person, date to the right hand corner, inside address to the left hand corner. Then see here, you can see it's the subject written here. So there is indentation for subject also, indentation for all the paragraphs. All paragraphs are indented one. सभी paragraphs indented हैं. Closing, complementary close and sign to the right hand corner and enclosure to the left hand corner. This is semi block. But I would suggest, to avoid this confusion which part to write to which side, follow full block form. It saves your time and it looks neat and clean. Okay, so how the way you will begin full block? You will write your application letter. First you have to write name and address of yourself. So that you have to write to the left hand corner. आपको कहाँ पे लिखना है? लेफ्ट हैंड कॉर्नर में आपको ये सभी चीजें लिखनी है. What are the things? Name, address. You should write to the left hand margin. Immediately after the margin, you have to start writing that. Okay. Then below that, you should write date. See, the date is given here. So below your name, address, date should be written. After that, inside address. Now see how the inside address is given here. Inside address कैसे दिए देखो आप. How it's given there. I will just use other color so that you will be able to see. See here the address, advertiser, box number, Times of India, Mumbai. Like that the details are given. Now the thing is, sometimes the companies don't want direct application to their company. In newspapers there are certain box system. So whatever application will be sent to that box number, that news agency will give you a number to that box. So all the applications will be collected there, and then those applications will be sent to you, to your company. Okay, when you are not mentioning your company's address and all. So in that case, you can write the advertiser. Suppose in the question paper, the question is, write the application letter to box number RCT 222A, Times of India, Mumbai 400001. So like that the question is. So how the way you will write? First you have to write down the name of the person or the position. So you can mention the advertiser, the person who has given the advertiser, because you can't write the manager, HR personal. So in that case you can write the advertiser, because यहाँ पे mention किया है. Question is, what's the question? Write application letter. I'm just writing it. Now in question, this, it will be like this. When you are writing advertiser, that I am telling you, okay, आपको कब advertiser लिखना है? So when in the question, write an application to box number RCT 222A, the Times of India, Mumbai. Details will be provided to you in the question itself. You have to write just this, the advertiser. इतना ही आपको लिखना है. Remaining address you have been given in the question itself. Understood that? ये समझ में आ गया आपको inside address किसका लिखना है? Suppose there is the case, say, write an application to Hindustan Corporation Limited, Cooperative Limited, whatever. Then say the address can be, I'm just writing it, Chembur, Mumbai. Okay. Sometimes it is mentioned in the question itself, it is mentioned, write an application to HR manager, write an application to manager. If it is not given in the question में नहीं दिया किसको लिखना है application, to whom you are writing this letter, you can directly write the manager, HCL Limited, HC Limited, Chembur, Mumbai. Okay, यहाँ पे this is the another type of inside address I'm talking about. These are the two examples in which how to write the inside address. ये समझ में आ गया आपको inside address कैसे लिखना है? Why it's not on? आपने बोला क्यों नहीं? अरे, I did not see that. It's off. Why? Start करो ना बेटा. Wait, he's doing it. आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो इतने टाइम? I was teaching. I did not. Okay. शिवम आप लेक्चर पे कंसंट्रेट करो ना बेटा. Okay, you are doing this. Yeah, I can't keep it open. Okay, I will keep this open here so that now I will get the idea of it. What others. आप डाइवर्ट होते जाते हो यहाँ पे, पता है शिवम? अरे, either I have to keep this in the middle or nowhere. Okay, now it's audible now. Okay, let it be. So I have started the recording. Okay, so let us continue again. I hope you all can hear me. So there are two ways to write the application inside address. One is when there is box number is given. In that case, you have to write the advertiser and the remaining address. Suppose there is no box system and nothing is provided, you have to write directly to the company. In that case, you can write the manager, or you can write say HR personnel, the executive officer, chairman. There are various options you have to select, but if you are confused what to write, you can directly use the manager or HR personnel. Okay. Then remaining address you have to write down to the next line, that is HC Limited, Chembur, Mumbai, and the pin code. Next is opening salutation. Here you can see whatever the sample I have shared with you, or I will share with you in future also. You have to remember, you must follow the things that I teach in the class, because in the book there are certain mistakes that you need to work on when you are learning this. आपके पेज पे आप ऐसा रफ ड्राफ्ट बना के लिख लो. You have to write all those points that I teach. यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे बना के रखती हूँ ना, these things I write. Even I write first para, second para, third para. You have to make the layout. आपको layout बनाना है आपके notebook में. तो layout बनाओ पहले job application का. First क्या लिखोगे layout में? I will make here. I will make one for you. I will show you how the way you will make the layout. See, suppose this is your page. Correct. So here you can write sorry, we are following full block format. So here you can write candidates. Candidate is writing na, candidates name and address. Is it visible? You can see that. Candidate's name and address. Okay. Can you see this now? I have reduced the font because you will get confused. वो font बढ़ गया तो वो left right hand side को it may shift to right hand side, so that we have to avoid. After that, date. Sorry. You will write. Okay. What I will do? I will use this one single text format. In that I will write, so that it will be very convenient for me to write. I have to again redo that, because suppose this is your page. The first thing you will write your name, then your address, then leave one line blank because we are using double spacing for full block form, full block layout. So leave one line blank, then write date. Okay, so which date it is? कौन सी डेट होगी? हाँ, कौन सा होगा डेट ये? The date on which you are writing the application letter. Okay, then leave one line blank. Subject, what's the subject? Write it, write down in your notebook. Application for the post office. Okay, I hope this is visible to you all. I have reduced the font because it may not fix the page. Okay, so shall I go to the next point? Next is reference. From where you came to know of this? That's why I have told you, you have to follow the pattern that I teach in the class. After subject also you can leave one line blank. Then reference, what's the reference? From where you come to know about this post. So your advertisement in के बाद आपको लिखना है टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, whatever the newspaper from which you come to know. Dated के बाद लिखना है डेट, कब वो एप्लीकेशन में वो एडवर्टीजमेंट पब्लिश हुआ था वो न्यूज़पेपर में. व्हाट्स द डेट ऑफ दैट न्यूज़पेपर इन विच you have got this advertisement, that you have to write. Then see here only sir is given. I would suggest you should use dear sir. Respected sir is again the same meaning you are repeating. Respected, we the same meaning we have, we connote by the word sir. Sir भी respect से ही हम लोग बोलते हैं. So respect is expressed twice. So there is no need. Instead of that, you should use dear sir. Okay, then what you will write in the first paragraph? What will you write? Now the same paragraph here you can write as it is. यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हो? सेम पैराग्राफ जो दिया है वो यूज कर सकते हो. ओ आई कांट रीडू दैट ना. यस यस आई कैन. Once I erase, I can't do anything. Yes. And so here you can see first paragraph you have to add the same lines which are given in the letter. In response to your advertisement in Times of India dated, that line as it is. Only the thing you have to change the name of the newspaper, वहाँ पे आप blank रखो. In response to your advertisement in, ये लिखो आप notebook में. In response, write down. In response to your advertisement in advertisement in उसके बाद डेटेड के बाद कब वो एडवर्टीजमेंट पब्लिश हुआ, दैट यू हैव टू मेंशन, देन कॉमा. नाउ सी हियर the same line you have written in your reference, only what you have added in response to. What are the words you have added in response to? These words you have added. Remaining as it is, whatever you have written in the reference you can copy. After that you write comma, then I hereby apply for the post of again blank, which post you are applying for, that you have to mention, then full stop. I request you to consider me for this position, that we can write later. There is no need to write this sentence in the first paragraph. So this should be your first paragraph of your application letter. Okay, understood this? समझ गया क्या लिखना है? Next, second paragraph. But when you will write your application, don't give the numbering. It is for you I am writing these numbers, so that you will get idea that this is first paragraph, this is second paragraph, this is third paragraph. But actually when you will write, don't write number 1, number 2, number 3. They will think which kind of letter it is. So don't avoid that. Remember this. Now second, in the second paragraph you can see the person has given the details of his education. Okay, so what you will be writing in the second paragraph? Educational details or qualification. अरे यार, सपोज लेक्चर खत्म भी होता है, मेरा ये लैपटॉप टर्न डाउन होता है, यू हैव टू गिव योर अटेंडेंस थ्रू a separate link I will share in the WhatsApp. To all I am telling this. Suppose if my lecture gets over suddenly, I'll share the link of attendance in WhatsApp, so that you have to give. Am I clear to you all? Okay. So we were here, educational details you have to provide. So how the way you will write, I have completed, that sentence we have learned where in tutorial. Tutorial में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है ना, to talk about last education. कैसे बोला था मैंने sentence, क्या लिखना है, कैसे लिखना है sentence. This is how we are going to use our knowledge. कैसे लिखना है बोला था ना tutorial में. I have completed whatever education, say BCom. I have completed BCom. Then with के बाद percentage. Then from name of the college. Like that you have to write. Okay. So you are providing the details of your course. क्या क्या बता रहे हो यहाँ पे, कौन सा कोर्स आपने कंप्लीट किया है, then in which year you have completed, year of your completion, your grades you are talking about, what was your specialization, if any project you have completed, along with that any other additional qualification, if you have done additional qualification which is required. Any additional course if you have completed, say for example the typing tally course, DBM, diploma in business management, MBA, if any additional course you have completed, you can provide the details here. Then the next paragraph deals with your work experience. If you are working somewhere, you can mention this. Now what are the points you will include here? Name of the organization, your position, tenure. If you are working there, you can mention till date, or you can mention for 2 years I was working there. So like that, tenure means period, for how many years you are working in that organization. Then what are the basic duties you are performing there, your roles, responsibilities and roles that you are performing there, you can mention. I hope this is clear. ये समझ में आ गया आपको? Say how the way you can talk here. I worked as personal assistant to the manager in a medium-sized business establishment in Thane. He has not provided the details. In 2014, the same position, on the same position, my present employer, Star Electricals. Now he is working in Star Electricals. See, you might have worked in 4 companies, but you should not give the details of all those 4 companies in your application letter. You should mention that for how many years you are working in the field. So I have been working in this field for say 10 years, 2 years, 3 years, and I'm working as say senior manager at Star Electricals. So like that, current employer you can mention, current job का recent employer है, current employer है, those details you have to provide in application letter, and the remaining you can provide in resume. जो बाकी के सभी आपका detailed experience है, that you can write in resume. Application catches your attention, so you should provide up to date knowledge, and that knowledge, that information, if the reader reads, he will select you, he will go through your application and he will call you for the interview. Because resume is lengthier, he may not waste his time to read out all resumes. He will just go through the application letters, and through then he will select only few applications, and then he will go through the resumes. So that's why your application letter must be properly written. Okay. Next, fourth, you can write about the skills that you have acquired. Here you can also mention the skills you have acquired when you have started particular work. Next, your extracurricular, co-curricular activities you can talk in the next paragraph. Then, see, the person is a good sportsman. During his school, he was a good sportsman. He was the best athlete. He was awarded the FR Fell Trophy for being the fastest athlete of the university in the year 2003 and 2004. So what are those extracurricular activities? But those should be remarkable one. Some achievement you have done, certain reward you have received, national level, state level, if you have played or anything, any achievement is there, you have to mention that in the next paragraph, that is 4th paragraph. Next, 5th paragraph you can write as it is. I am enclosing with this application copies of certificates of my academic and other attainments. That is enough. Okay. Next, I hope that my qualifications and experience will merit your consideration. After this, avoid this. ये जो